Dark circles and under eye spots are some of the toughest skincare concerns, so when a product like Elire Eye Cream claims to brighten, correct discoloration, and even outtone, many of us want to know, does it actually work? Let's break it down. So Elire's eye cream formulas, including their anti-aging eye cream and repair eye cream, are marketed to reduce dark circles, smooth fine lines, boost hydration, and brighten the under eye area using ingredients like niacinamide, peptides, ceramides, caffeine, and botanical extracts that target pigmentation and puffiness. The brand also touts clinical trial results like brighter, firmer under eyes with continued use over weeks, and even has a 60-day risk-free guarantee in some versions. Many of the core ingredients in Elire's eye creams are backed by skincare science for supporting under eye brightness. Niacinamide is known to help brighten tone and reduce visible discoloration over time. Caffeine can help improve circulation and reduce darkness from blood pooling, and ceramides and peptides support hydration and skin texture, which makes skin look healthier and less tired. These ingredients don't instantly erase pigmentation, but when used consistently, they can help make under eyes look brighter and less shadowed over weeks. Actual customer reviews are mixed but informative. Some users report visible brightening and reduced darkness after regular use, noting that under eyes look smoother and more awake. Others say they saw little to no change in dark areas even after 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use. This kind of variation is very common with eye creams. Individual skin type, cause of dark circles, such as genetics, pigmentation versus blood vessels, and consistency all influence results. Skin forums also reflect mixed experiences overall with eye creams for dark circles. Some find slight improvements, others feel any effect is subtle or mainly hydrating rather than corrective. Some of its pros: it contains ingredients that are known to support brightening and hydration such as niacinamide, caffeine, and ceramides. Ophthalmologist tested and designed for sensitive under eye skin, and lightweight textures that layer under makeup well. However, it's not a guaranteed dark spot cure. Results are usually subtle and gradual. Mixed reviews: not everyone sees noticeable fading of deep pigmentation, and eye creams in general don't address all causes of dark circles. So does Elire Eye Cream actually correct dark spots? Yes, it can help brighten and visibly improve under eye tone for some users with consistent use, especially if your dark circles are related to hydration and mild pigmentation. But no, it's not a guaranteed fix or overnight solution for deep, stubborn pigmentation. Many users see hydration and slight brightening rather than dramatic spot removal. The bottom line: if you want a hydrating, brightening eye cream that may improve the look of dark circles over time, Elire is worth trying. Just keep expectations realistic and use it consistently as part of a full skincare routine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.